Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be making delicious veggie sandwich which is super easy to make and you don't need a sandwich maker to make this. Let's get started. First we'll make the spicy green chutney. In a blender add 4 green chilies, 2 peeled garlic, bunch of coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Blend this to a smooth paste, add a little bit of water while blending and set it aside. Now for the filling, in a large bowl add 2 finely chopped onion, 1 cup finely chopped cabbage or lettuce, 1 cup grated carrot, 1 cup finely chopped capsicum. Now add 1 cup of mayonnaise to the veggie mixture and mix well. The recipe for the mayo is in the link below. Now for the bread guys, spread butter on one side and be generous with the butter. Butter makes the sandwich crispy and helps it get golden brown from the outside. Flip the bread and spread green chutney on the other side. Now let's assemble the sandwich. Put a spoonful of filling on the chutney side and spread it evenly. Now add a cheddar cheese slice, sandwich it with another slice of bread. Heat a pan on medium heat and place the sandwich on the pan. Remember, the butter side is down. Keep pressing it from the top, mimicking the sandwich maker. Once it's golden brown and crispy, flip it and repeat the same process. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more awesome recipes like this. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Till then, be safe, happy cooking, bye bye.